Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices extended their record run to breach $3,300 per ounce as a weaker dollar and escalating US-China trade tensions pushed investors towards the safe haven asset. US gold futures gained 3.3%. The three major US stock indexes extended declines after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said that while the US economy is still in a solid position, growth appears to be slowing. Chip makers leading declines as Nvidia warned of steep charges from new US curbs on its chip exports to China. Asset manager Bitwise has listed 4 Bitcoin exchange-traded products on the London Stock Exchange. The listings include the Bitwise Core Bitcoin ETP, the Bitwise Physical Bitcoin ETP, Bitwise's Physical Ethereum ETP, and the Bitwise Ethereum Staking ETP.
The euro-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The sterling-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made public. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market movements.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.